Hello guys, so I wanted to show you what I use for my resin artwork. So here we have some flakes, dies. What is that? This, I just got this. This is basically a mold for keychains, but this is not what I expected, so I'm not using it yet. Okay, so this is what I use for like the piece that I have that says love. So this is the mold for it. What else do I have in here? I feel like this is a goodie bag, and I'm okay. So here I got these on this is a must. You need that. I got it from the Dollar Tree. This is a must. Okay, what else do I have here? Okay, more flakes, more flakes. 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 Okay, so this I had to buy separately. I bought this on Amazon. This is a colorant, beautiful blue, so I can make beach scenes. So I want to have like the correct dye for the color of the beach. And okay, and also this is for like my waves. I got this on Amazon as well. For waves, you do need very opaque white. So this worked. Oh, these are like seashells that I bought, and I still haven't used. I've used some of it. More flakes. What is this? I don't know what that is. These are molds for my I was doing jewelry, so these are the molds for my jewelry. And then oops, all right, I'll put this back later. And lastly, guys, so this is the called, so I use this epoxy. I think this is the best one I've used so far. This is a Let's Resin. It's very clear. So I bought a bigger size this time because the other ones didn't last too long. So I think I can save money by buying the you know, the bigger size. Okay, so this is all for today, and next time I will maybe create a piece for you guys. I will show you how I do one of my resin pieces. Thank you guys. See you next time.